Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can to edit motion tracking in CapCut for easy. So let me show you how. Just tap on new project and select your video that you want to edit, and I have one project here with object, and then just select text and add the text. For example, I select this dot and just for the duration like so. Okay, in the text overlay, just select tracking option in the bottom and select the object. Select this and just click tracking in the bottom. So this is the result. Okay, it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.